Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check out on Airbnb. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And after you have logged in using your email address and your password, you will be taken to the Explore page. From here, within the Where To section, you can just tap on this. And after choosing your destination, within the When section, you can directly choose your check-in and check-out dates. If you have set up your checkout date within the When section, then you will receive a notification within your Messages section, letting you know when your checkout date arrives. You can also tap on the Trips option, and you will see your current reservation that is ongoing within the Trips section as well. From here, you will also find the Checkout option. You can simply tap on this option in order to check out. Make sure to finalize all of your payments during checking out. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check out from your reservation on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.